Machu Picchu, one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. It is an ancient lost city of the Incas, located deep in the Andes Mountains of Peru. It's known for its beauty and mystery. But what's the best way to visit Machu Picchu? Let's find out in this video. Step 1. Cusco. First you need to go from Lima to Cusco. The best way to reach Cusco is with plane. It's only a 1 hour and 50 minutes flight. We bought tickets on the LATAM airline website and it's best to book at least 3 days before, so you make sure to get the best prices. You will be flying over the Andes Mountains, so if you would like to see the beautiful Andean landscape from the sky, make sure to book a window seat. Welcome to Cusco. Cusco is located at a high altitude. It's 3,399 meters above sea level. Air is very thin on this height, so make sure to relax and don't forget to breathe calmly. So once you've arrived in Cusco, take some time to acclimate to the high altitude and explore this historic city, known for its Incan ruins and colonial architecture. Part 2. Train tickets and admission tickets. We bought admission tickets for Machu Picchu at Ministerio de Cultura in Cusco. The office is close to Plaza Mayor. You can also buy on their site in advance, which is recommended. The tickets are around 40 euros and we booked a few days in advance. However, it's better to buy it much earlier because tickets can sell out quickly. Then we went to the Inca office to buy tickets to go to Aguas Calientes. The ticket includes a 2-hour bus drive to Ollantaytambo. And from Ollantaytambo, the train departs to Aguas Calientes. Aguas Calientes is a small village in the mountains. It's the gateway to Machu Picchu. Did you know that there are no roads connecting Aguas Calientes to other major cities? You can only reach Aguas Calientes by train or foot. On the train you will have spectacular views of the mountains. This is what the train and bus ride looks like. We arrived at...
Soy princesa del imperio.
That was basically the bus and train ride from Cusco to Aguas Calientes. Now let's continue to part 3 of this video. Sleepover. Once in Aguas Calientes, spend the night and prepare for the highlight of your journey, the visit to Machu Picchu. Enjoy this beautiful small city. The views are stunning and there are many great restaurants. We decided to stay in Aguas Calientes for one night. Staying overnight gives you the flexibility to explore Machu Picchu at your own pace. You can choose to take breaks, enjoy the scenery and truly immerse yourself in the experience without feeling rushed to catch a train back to Cusco on the same day. Congratulations, you're almost at Machu Picchu. This is the last leap. On this map you can see at the bottom Aguas Calientes and at the top Machu Picchu. There are 2 ways to go from Aguas Calientes to Machu Picchu. You can go with bus or you can go hiking. You can see the blue line and the green line. The green line is like a zigzag line up, that's the bus. And the blue line is for walking up. You can go straight up. This is what the hike from Aguas Calientes to Machu Picchu looks like in short.
We are almost in Machu Picchu. Just a few minutes more. Come, follow me.
We finally made it to Machu Picchu. Now it's time to explore this mysterious lost city of the Incas. Make sure to enjoy this beautiful place and take many pictures. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.